Well, experienced some grid down. Natural gas and electric's gone here. Got my backup heater going, a propane heater slash cook stove here, camping stove. It's on the 20-pound tank conversion kit here. Lights running off a inverter on my vehicle. Got my GMRS radio here running off a backup battery with solar.
Yeah, I've been working on it today. I tightened up the screws in the radio.
Got communications.
The microphone. We ordered a new microphone for today. It should be here really soon. Question is,
That's the battery operated, runs 18 hours.
So the other mic gets there, or is it too annoying?
You know, there's a lot more wiser men on this
GMRS link, Midwest link repeater system. Gotta have a GMRS license, it's $35. Better get one. Get some handheld. Got one on the charger. Got some more in there. One here. Got the antenna off of it. Got 4 of them total. I guess there was a slight little crash somewhere. It involved trees, power pole, and they had to shut the gas off because it went through, smashed down a fence in a conjunction or station or something here south of town, so grid down. Big old tree come uprooted and put the gas out and the electric, so it's grid down here for a while.
Yeah, it definitely sounded like
TV here.
sparks were flying and people were dying over there.
Refrigerator run off the inverter. I have a generator, but I don't want to run it. And right now, it also, my generator charges my solar stuff up, and 12 volt. I got lights. These here lights here, they run. If the power goes out, they'll stay running. I got one here. It's battery operated. Walmart, 20 bucks gets you 4. And it's got a switch on it, on the side of it. If the power goes out, you flip that switch, and you can use it for a flashlight, lantern, or these here, power goes out, it automatically comes on. This one runs 6 hours. These run 8 hours. It don't take long to charge them up. They're a neat little outfit. I use one for a flashlight. It's got a dummy thing that screws on here, and I keep it up here. And this, I made a dummy out of this. And I just pull the string. Everybody needs to go. Make sure you got backup. There's a lot of power outages. A lot of things are happening out there. You preppers out there need to prep. Make sure you got plenty of food. And we got plenty of that back here. All that's full. Down there's my generator when I need it. It's a 2,000 watt Sportsman, runs off propane. way cheaper, way cheaper than regular auto fuel. I can run off of the 3 gallons, actual 3 gallons is in your 20-pound tank. The rest of it there, 3 gallons, 14 hours versus 5 gallons of gas, 14 hours in a regular gasoline generator. I recommend if you get the propane generator, you can also get them in natural gas. Where you have to run an outside hookup, a quick hookup. I go that route. That one will run off either one. I have a 5,000 watt generator on my vehicle. I go out there about every hour, and I'll start my car for about 5 minutes and let it idle. Alternator turns that battery up. The car does not hardly use any gas while it's idling. We used to go out, me and my buddy, and deliver school buses. And when it was time for us to take our 8-hour break, we slept, let the engine idle for 8 hours, and the fuel gauge you couldn't even tell it moved. So you people out there need to listen up. You need backup. You need to learn to have stuff ready to live off grid. Now here's another one of these. I made a flashlight out of it. I took these globes comes off. They're bright, super bright. So universal. My little lamp in there's got one in it, but I have it hooked to my inverter.
40 watt radio over to the 25 watt radio.
And